What's up guys, welcome to another video. The Bitcoin chart finally gave us a breakout from our symmetrical triangle, hitting the level of $28,500. With the market give us a retracement in the coming hours, giving us an opportunity to sell the market for the continued move to the downside. Will this breakout be the beginning of the dump that will take us down to the downward sloping support line that we have on the 4-hourly time frame? On the 4-hourly time frame, we are currently forming a falling wedge chart pattern. Will this move be the drop that will take us to the level of $26,500? Sit back and relax as we delve into the charts. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Williams. I make technical analysis on the Bitcoin chart. So if that's what you're here for, subscribe to the channel, turn on push notifications so you don't miss out on real-time updates on the Bitcoin charts. Before we dive into the content proper, smash the like button. Let's get this video to about 100 likes to help the YouTube algorithm. That way this video gets to more viewers like you. Looking at the Bitcoin chart on the 1-hourly time frame, we can see we were consolidating in a symmetrical triangle chart pattern. The characteristics of this chart pattern is we are having a breakout when we are breaking below the previous low, which in this case is the level of $29,200. Let me be specific. When we are breaking below the previous low, which in this case is the level of $29,336, and when we are breaking above the previous highs. In this case, this is the previous high. The previous high we are having that will qualify us having a breakout is we breaking above the level of $30,000. So we saw the Bitcoin chart gave us a consolidation. So the Bitcoin chart gave us a fake out to the upside, hitting the level of $30,000. We had choppy actions, we had wicks at this level, then we see a retracement down into the box, down into our symmetrical triangle. Then this clearly was a fake out to the upside. Then we had the impulsive move to the downside. Clearly, if I were awake at this time, I would have entered the trade when I saw this kind of impulsive move after we had the run up to the upside, hitting our resistance level, which was the level of $30,000. Then we had a retracement back into the triangle chart pattern. Then this shows that this was a failed breakout and we're going down to test lower targets. So the Bitcoin chart gave us a breakout, a clear breakout below the level of 29,336. As traders, we are not impulsive traders. Remember, you do not sell the market at the lower low. Rather, you wait for the market to give you the next lower high for us to sell the market for the continued move to the downside. So the Bitcoin chart has given us a breakout structure on our symmetrical triangle chart pattern. What is the target? Remember, the target on this kind of trade is actually the width of the symmetrical triangle, which will take it from the level of 30,224 to the lows, which is the level of 28,697. Taking our width from here, you can see that the target of this move is the level of $27,983, approximately the level of $28,000. The level of $28,000 is our target of this move, of this our symmetrical triangle chart pattern, the level of $28,000. So what can we expect the Bitcoin chart to give us in the coming hours? We can expect a retracement. The Bitcoin chart has given us the lower low. We expect the Bitcoin chart to give us the next lower high. That's giving us, using this our pen tool, that's giving us the lower low. We expect the Bitcoin chart to give us the next lower high, come as close to test the previous support level as resistance before we see the move to the downside. So this is a trading setup we are expecting on the Bitcoin chart. We're expecting the Bitcoin chart to give us something like this for us to sell the market for the continued move to the downside. What kind of price action are we expecting to be sure that this is actually a level in which we are going to sell the market for the continued move? Well, what we can do is we could take our Fibonacci tool. The Fibonacci tool is a very flexible tool. We can take our Fibonacci tool and take it from the swing high, the first swing high, which is the level of 29,554, to the swing low, which is the level of 28,688, and look for our Fibonacci retracement levels, the levels in which we are expecting a retracement and consolidation at that level. Take it from the beginning of the drop, which is the level of 29,559, or to be conservative, we can take it from this high, the level of 29,663, down to the lows, which was the level of 28,659. So using this Fibonacci tool we just drew, our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level is the level of 29,164, while our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is the level of 29,286. So at this level, we expect the Bitcoin chart to give us some choppy action, some consolidations, but also sell the market for the continued move to the downside. What are we expecting? How do we know that the bulls are experiencing a sort of exhaustion at this level? Well, taking our part two, this is what we're expecting, because as we have this retracement to the upside, the Bitcoin chart will be giving us a trend, something like giving us a local higher high, a local higher low, a local higher high, and a local higher low. Then at this level here, we expect the Bitcoin to fail to give us the next higher high, and then coming back to test the previous higher low, and then giving us the bounce back up here. Then a break below this our previous higher low, or we are seeing a break after the consolidation, a break below this our previous higher low, which in this case hypothetically is the level of $29,000. If we are seeing a break below the previous higher low, then we can entertain a sell position to the downside. Overall, from this our symmetrical triangle chart pattern, the target is a level of $28,000. So even though our Fibonacci tool is telling us that the target overall is level 27,486, we know we are expecting a sort of consolidation, a sort of choppy action at this level, the level of $28,000. So we could be conservative at this level and be very careful at this level. If the market will give us a retracement, a pump from here back up, it all depends on what the market does. But as traders, we take advantage of the current opportunity the market is giving us, and in this case, the market is giving us a breakout, and we're expecting a retracement to this level. Expect choppy action, a sort of exhaustion from the bulls, and then we can then see selling power coming in, and we sell the market for the move to the downside. Remember, the trend is your friend to the very end. So the market has given us a breakout. We expect any form of retracement, or to sell the market for the continued move to the downside. If you're looking at the Bitcoin chart, you can see that while the 1 hour time frame was giving us a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, on the 1 hour time frame, we are gradually forming a falling wedge chart pattern. This is actually a bullish chart pattern, but we know we have to come back low to test the levels, the lower sloping support level, which at this level is the level of 26,766. So this chart pattern we are seeing could actually take us to the level of $26,500, which is a very crucial support level. So if the Bitcoin chart comes as low as the level of $28,000 and we see some volatility stepping, we can see that on the 4 hour time frame, this is the pattern that's currently at play. If we get to the level of $28,000 and we see after the left small choppy action we are seeing and some volatility stepping, we can expect the Bitcoin chart to come as low as the level of $26,700, and then we'll know that this 4 hourly chart pattern, falling wedge chart pattern, is at play. It will come as low at this level. Remember, nothing in this channel should be construed as a financial advice. This channel is strictly for educational purposes, empowering traders with trading setups as they take advantage of the opportunity the market presents. Taking advantage of the opportunity the market presents, don't forget you can actually take a trade on BYBIT and claim up to $30,000 on your first deposit and trade when you use the link in the description. BYBIT offers amazing discounts on your trade, so you can actually hold swing positions on BYBIT for a long period of time and spend minimal fees. It's also one way you give back to the. So this is what I see on the Bitcoin chart. Later in the day, I'll drop an update video when the Bitcoin chart gives us a retracement, a breakup structure, and opportunity to sell the market. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on real-time updates on the Bitcoin chart. Thank you very much for sticking with me through this video. See you in the next one.